How to start a Twitch channel? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will need to open up Twitch and sign up for an account. And if you are a mobile streamer, then it is quite simple. All you have to do is just download the Twitch app on your mobile, and after that sign up for an account, open your account and hit the stream option. You will be getting two options, whether you can stream your mobile screen to be precise, or you can stream yourself, but you cannot stream your mobile screen and yourself at the same time. But if you're on PC, then you can stream your PC screen as well as yourself quite easily. And for that, you might also require two monitors. Rather, two monitors is a great choice for streaming on Twitch when you want to stream your screen as well as yourself. So get yourself two monitors and also get a capture card. It is quite important. It will be a link between your monitor and your console. Also, create an account on the Twitch if you are new, Twitch Studio to be precise, in order to begin your Twitch streaming journey. And it is the most helpful thing in the beginning for you. Instead of going for the OBS Studio or some other streaming platforms, go for Twitch Studio. If you learn this one, then you would be able to handle other streaming platforms quite easily. And this is the most required stuff that you are going to need when streaming on Twitch. So I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.